Okay, so my name is Ilya Bakhov. In Russian it will be Ilya Bakhov. I'm a student of HULT International Business School, and I'm Russian, so I will help you with this pronunciation of Russian names and surnames. Yes? So let's begin. The first name and surname is Irina Nikolaevna Arkadina. One more time. Irina Nikolaevna Arkadina.
Now slowly.
Irina Nikolaevna Arkadina.
That middle one is tricky.
How you pronounce it?
I would say maybe Nikolaevna. No.
Nikolaevna. Eva. So it will be Nikolaevna. Irina Nikolaevna Arkadina. Briefly, Irina Nikolaevna Arkadina. Yes.
And you were saying something about Russian in general. Why don't you explain a little bit about that?
So yeah, Russian sounds, they are more strict maybe than English sounds. For example, in English we use d, t, day, toy, and so on. But in Russian it will be day, toy. So in this case, her surname is Arkadina. Arkadina. Yes.
Perfect. Sorry.
Hello, my name is Lana. I'm from Russia. Yes, so we're gonna help you guys with the Russian pronunciation. So
The second name in Russian is Konstantin Gavrilovich Treplev. Konstantin Gavrilovich Treplev.
Konstantin Gavrilovich Treplev.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Now, here's his nickname.
Kostya.
Kostya.
So yeah, the last two letters YA they pronounced like ya. Kostya.
Kostya.
Pyotr Nikolaevich Petrusha. Oh, sorry. One more time. Pyotr Nikolaevich Sorin. And nickname is Petrusha.
Petrusha.
No, Petrusha. It should be like Petrusha. All the sounds are strict, like P, T, R, Sh, Petrusha.
Petrusha.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna say Pyotr Nikolaevich Sorin Petrusha.
Yeah. So in Russian language we don't pronounce this K in Mikhailovna. In Russian variant it will be Mikhailovna. And the sound is H, Mikhailovna.
Mikhail.
No, without K. Completely without. Just like Mi, H, Mikhailovna.
Yes.
Close.
No K.
So
No K.
just simply Mikhailovna.
Try it.
Mikhailovna.
Vna.
Yes.
Mikhailov.
Mikhailovna.
Right.
Yeah, it
This
was
one is
really
right.
good.
Yes.
So Nina Mikhailovna Заречная. One more time.
Yes.
Nina Mikhailovna Заречная.
Nina Mikhailovna Zarechная.
Say the last word again. Let me just zoom. Oh, no. Yeah, that's fine. Say the last name again.
Me?
Either one.
Nina Mikhailovna Zarechная.
Zarichnia.
Yeah, Заречная.
Zarichnia.
Yeah.
The last sound is like Заречная. Russian language is good because we pronounce all the sounds. Like if you see A, it's A. In this case, it will be Заречная.
Zarichnia.
Right. This one was exactly right.
Perfect. Okay, so here's our next one.
It's actually my name.
Yes.
Илья Афанасьевич Шамраев.
Илья Афанасьевич Шамраев.
Afanasevich.
Close.
Close.
Like,
Not bad.
yeah, it's good.
Afanasievich.
Afanasievich.
Right. Like
Yeah.
just a little
Yeah, you
practice.
need to practice and repeat it and it will be good.
Good. And the last one is Shamrayev.
Шамраев.
Шамраев is good, yeah.
Yeah.
Илья Афанасьевич Шамраев.
Good.
Афанасьевич.
Yes.
Okay.
So basically, in Russia we have three types of name: first name, middle name, and the last name. This second name, the middle name, there are two variants for male and female. In female, all of them usually ends with Yevna, and you should emphasize this,
emphasize, yes.
like Yevna. And
it.
in male name, all of them are with Vich, like for example Georgievich, and so on. And here, for example, it will be Polina Andreevna. Polina Andreevna.
Polina Andreevna.
Now you have to admit, first of all, you said yourself, this one is a little hard.
Yes.
Yeah, this one is a little hard. It's even hard for me. And my poor children, they will have the same in all of their names. Like,
Yeah,
yes.
because Ilya Ilyinishna.
Yes. So in Russian case, the first one is her real name. It's like a short name, Masha. Masha is simple one. Then her full name is Maria Ilyinishna. It's difficult. Maria Ilyinishna.
Maria Ilyinishna.
It's very difficult.
Yes, it's
Maria Ilyinicha.
Ilyinishna.
Ilyinicha.
Shna.
Like the sound is sh.
Na.
Ilyinishna.
Maria Ilyinichna.
Pretty good.
Yes.
Close.
I'm actually suggesting you to change
Maybe
letters.
Maria Ilyinishna. Ilyinishna. Maybe
Sh.
Oh, write it on there so that we can write
Yes.
it in
No,
English.
Ilyinishna. We don't say
Yeah, well, we
Ilyinishna.
usually say like
Yes,
Ilyinishna.
just change the on
S. Yes, I agree.
It's gonna be easier for you to pronounce.
Yes.
Oh,
maybe.
let's see.
Usually we pronounce it like this.
Ilyinishna. Try it.
Ilyinicha. No.
Sh. SH like.
No. No.
It's like SH like sh, like
Sh.
shrink something.
Uh-huh.
So the same stuff here. Maria Ilyinishna.
Ilyinichna.
Nice. The last one was very
Yes.
good. And this one
Ilyinishna.
is like a nickname, Mashenka.
Oh, wait 1 second. I'm adjusting the camera. Okay, again.
And her nickname is Mashenka.
Mashenka.
Nice.
Mashenka.
Mashenka.
Right.
Mashenka was really good.
So okay, that's the accent. I want to get the accent right. That's great. Thank you.
Ilyinish.
Борис Алексеевич Тригорин.
Right. Борис Алексеевич Тригорин.
Борис Алексеевич Тригорин.
Trigorin.
Тригорин.
T.
Trigorin.
No, not like t. T.
Ah,
Make it harder, like more strict
T,
maybe.
like Russian, you know. Trigorin.
Trigorin. Not really.
Trigorin.
But let's do it again. Do the Boris. We don't say
Борис.
Oh, it's on the last syllable,
Yes.
like Борис
Boris
Alexeyevich.
Alexeyevich
Good. Trigorin.
Trigorin.
Yeah,
This
this
one
one.
is good. Yes.
Okay.
Maybe you have Russian roots.
I haven't, but I'd like to. Okay. Okay.
Евгений Сергеевич Дорн.
Евгений Сергеевич Дорн.
Also, I want to emphasize this part, like this one, Sergeyevich. So you pronounce double E, Sergeyevich.
Sergeyevich.
Right.
This one was really good.
Yes, this one good.
Perfect. Okay.
Семен Семенович Медведенко.
Семен Семенович Медведенко.
Medvedenko. Wow. See, we're not way
Medvedenko.
off on that. They're pronouncing it like Medvedenko.
No, this one
Медведенко.
on the last Medvedenko.
Medvedenko.
Right.
Yeah, this one was
Yes,
really
it
good.
Ah, excellent. Excellent. They're smaller ones. Okay.
Yakov.
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 Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah.
It's not hard. Yes.
Not hard. Okay. Okay, now let's go wide and you guys can say how to say it.
You first.
Отель Славянский базар.
Отель Славянский базар.
So,
Well,
Adele.
Yes. Отель.
The last one is, in this case, L is soft, like L.
Отель.
Adele.
Yeah. Отель Славянский базар.
Okay.
In the street.
Краховский.
Грохольский house. Молчановка street. Молчановка.
Molchanovka.
Right.
And the street is again?
Грохольский house, Молчановка street. Молчановка.
And let me just zoom in on one more
What
time.
is this?
Разбит. Отель Славянский базар, Грохольский house, Молчановка street.
Perfect. Now, see this word underneath it?
Разбит.
So say that word again.
Разбит.
And what does that word mean to you?
Crashed.
Yeah, like smashed.
To
Crushed.
smash. Yeah, to crash.
Crashed.
Perfect. Okay, thank you. Because I have my character says I say that word.
Okay.
Mine? Okay.
Давай я буду показывать, ты будешь читать.
Чадин Павел Семенович.
Chadin.
Чадин Павел Семенович.
Okay. Next one.
The nickname is Pashka.
Pashka.
Pashka, yeah. Gogol.
Yes. Gogol.
Gogol. The last one is
Gogol.
also soft. Gogol.
Gogol.
No, this one is Gogol.
No, it's Gogol.
Yeah, I think it's Gogol. It should be Gogol.
It should be soft.
It should be soft.
Say it
Gogol.
again.
Gogol.
Okay.
Gogol.
And the next one.
Grachowski.
Грохольский.
One more time.
Грохольский.
Okay.
Gracholski.
Perfect.
Yeah, this one is.
And then
This one is easy. Измайлов. Измайлов.
Izmailov.
perfect.
Okay.
And
This is the name of the city. Kharkov.
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 Okay.
Mama.
Mama. Yeah.
This one. Matrёna. Matrёna. It's like
And 1 second. Both say it.
Matrёna.
Матрёна.
Perfect.
Молчановка. Молчановка.
Is that the one we already did though?
Yes.
Okay. Perfect.
Некрасов.
Nekrasov.
Не. Like
Некрасов.
Некрасов.
One more time. I'm coming out. Say it again.
Некрасов.
Perfect. Stand by. And the next one.
Папа.
Papa, yeah, it's easy.
Papa is pretty easy. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
Полтава.
Poltava.
Mhm.
Полтава.
Okay.
Расплюев.
Rasplюев, right.
Rasplyev.
Just give me a second. Yeah. Расплюев.
Rasplюев.
Yeah. I mean, I realize that reading it in English.
Расплюев.
It's
makes
hard,
it really
yes,
difficult.
yes,
Yeah.
it makes, yeah, if we would read it in Russian, it would
Yeah,
be
but
much easier.
Mhm.
Exactly. Like if you had Russian, it'd be easy.
Yeah. Rusalka.
Yeah, it's easy one.
Rusalka.
Rusalka.
Mhm.
Yeah, русалка.
Rusalka.
Sadovsky. Sadovsky.
Садовский.
Sadovsky.
Садовский.
Mm-hmm.
Славянский.
Mm-hmm.
We did it before.
We did it.
Славянский. Суздальцев. Суздальцев.
Let me just come back out for a second and go ahead.
Суздальцев.
You do it too, Lana.
Суздальцев. It's hard though.
That's a
Mhm.
hard one, yeah. Hopefully we don't have to do much of that.
Mhm.
Okay,
This
good.
one, I'm not sure about this one.
Trezor.
Trezor.
No, yeah.
Trezor. Mhm.
Трезор.
Okay.
This one is good.
Mhm.
Тургенев.
Let me get out for you. Go ahead.
Тургенев.
Turgenev.
Mhm.
Okay. Next one.
Елец.
Yelits.
Елец.
Yes,
It's good.
nice.
Mhm.
Nice.
Now this last one is definitely a Chekhov joke.
Елисаветград. Елизаветград.
No, there is not. Елизаветград.
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 Елизаветград. Елизаветград. It's
Yeah.
like the name of the city.
Yeah.
Right. That's a Chekhov joke, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Here the last sound is soft, like re, and the whole word will be Tверь.
Tверь.
Yeah, like this.
Ah, Tверь.
Tверь. So
Tверь.
the first, this one is strict, this one is strict, and this one is soft. Tверь.
Tверь.
Re.
Tверь.
Re. Re.
Re.
Yeah.
Ah, re.
Like
Tверь. It's hard for me to do the
it should be soft, like r, and this one is re.
Re.
Re. You should like use your like the sound r, re. Tверь.
Tверь.
Your tongue should be like
Yeah.
r.
It's hard for me to do.
Yeah, because in English we don't use this sound,
Yes.
and your tongue should be like r. It should on your this part of your mouth.
Right.
Tверь.
Okay. Any
Let's
other-
try one more
Okay.
time.
Tверь.
It's pretty good.
Close. Tверь.
Re.
Re. Tверь.
The last one was good. You need to practice the last one, like you said. Tверь.
Tверь.
Whoa, yeah, this one was good.
Aha, excellent. So now, any general comments that you would make for people who want to look and sound and be Russian? 19th century Chekhov
Yeah.
Russians?
So, we're talking about, if I understand right, the poem about people who live in the countryside, not in the city, and people from the 19th century. They were not really fast and in a hurry. They had plenty of time, so they don't speak really fast. They can say Irina Nikolaevna Arkadina, for example, Irina Nikolaevna Arkadina. And when you ask somebody, like, you say Gino, Irina Nikolaevna. So and usually the last sound of all the city names, like Tверь, here was something like Poltava, Елизаветград. All of them are a bit soft. Gogol, for example, the last sound is soft. And also one more thing. Here you have Sadovsky, and the last letter is Y. The better variant is here, when you use double I instead of Y, because we pronounce it like Sadovsky. Sadovsky.
Sadovsky.
Yeah, the last one was good. Here it will be Gracholsky.
Gracholsky.
Yeah, the last one was really good. Gracholsky.
Excellent. Well, Ilya, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Actually, I have free time, so when you will make a rehearsal for your production, I can come and help you with sounds. During the weekends, I'm free.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And two others. До свидания. Could you say that?
До свидания.
And that means?
Goodbye. See you later. Like the exact translation will be until next meeting.
Uh-huh.
But we use it usually like bye bye, goodbye, see you. До свидания.
And the other one is на здоровье.
На здоровье.
На здоровье.
В-е. Like на здоровье.
На здоровье.
No, there is no sound n. You are close, but на здоровье. В-е.
Yeah. На здоровье.
На здоровье.
На здоровье.
Close. The last one was good.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you very
We use
much.
it like for pleasure, but exact translation is for your health. Like when you drink something, you say thank you, and we use на здоровье, so for your health. And usually like my pleasure or you're welcome and so on and so on.
Perfect. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.